This video features SATCO's backlit panel program. SATCO's backlit panels offer versatility and efficiency, with a long 50,000 hours rated maintenance-free life. Each LED backlit panel features color-quick and power-quick technology and offers 3 popular wattages and 3 color temperature options, 3500K, 4000K, and 5000K, allowing for 9 possible power and color configurations at the time of installation. The LED light source provides a CRI of greater than 80 and an efficacy rating of up to 115 lumens per watt. The flicker-free driver is housed in the amply sized wiring compartment, which accommodates branch circuit wiring and provides multiple knockout locations in the independent line voltage and the 0 to 10 volt junction boxes. Internally advanced optics are used to provide even, uniform light distribution suitable for long-term task usage, ideal for offices, retail stores, educational and hospitality locations, and the 0 to 10 volt control wires allow for dimming and integration into building management systems and controls. SATCO's highly efficient backlit panels are available in 2 foot by 2 foot square, 1 foot by 4 foot, and 2 foot by 4 foot rectangle sizes. All sizes are available in an integrated all-in-one emergency backup version, and includes a test button and indicator light pre-mounted on the fixture frame. All panels feature DLC certification, NSF certification, ETL safety list for the US and Canada, and FCC certification. Accessory options for the backlit panels include surface-mounted frame kits in standard and slim profile versions, recessed flange kits, and airplane cable suspension kits. For more information, visit satco.com.